everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from Amazon.com from Fair Great Store. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Fair Great Store on Amazon.com, and they've reached out to me to review this unit for you all. So this unit is a human hair unit. It is their Brazilian 4x4 lace front unit and is meant to be a glueless wig. Now with this unit, it comes with 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, and of course the 4x4 lace. So the lace literally ends at the end right here. It is not a ear-to-ear lace, so it is quite easy for those who are getting into units and who are first-time users. Now as far as it being glueless, it is. I did not put any glue or any type of adhesive spray to this wig, so as you all can tell here, I can literally lift it up and you could see the lace there until I put it back down and it literally blends into my skin. Now in order for this to blend in pretty well with your skin tone, I highly suggest that you go ahead and purchase the Ebin lace spray or any other lace spray that you are familiar with so that it is closest to your skin tone. The one I specifically use is the medium to dark brown, so that's the closest to my skin tone, so that's why it looks the way it looks. Now in terms of the parting space, I left it at the middle like the unit came in. The unit came with a middle part, so I left it at a middle part, but you can definitely use it a little off to the left or a little off to the right. This isn't a synthetic wig, so you can definitely bleach this, dye this, do whatever you would like. It is a human hair unit, so it's very easy for you to use. In terms of customization, you can definitely dye this in whichever way you like, or you can curl this or straighten this. This is heat safe. Now I did add a little more curls to it, so it could be a little more wavy. It did come a little wavy, but it was a bit flat, but I did add a little bit of curl to it so you all can see the curls here. It was so easy to use. In terms of the curling iron, it wasn't hard to use and it was quite easy. So if you all would like to see what I did with this wig in terms of curling it, please be sure to go over to my TikTok. It will be posted on my reels as well on Instagram and on Facebook, so you all could definitely check that out over there. But it is very easy and it wasn't hard for me to customize it to my liking. Now as far as any cons, I don't have any cons. This unit is very soft, it's light, and it does what it needs me to do. It's not hard for me to maneuver, and of course it is a 4x4 wig, so you can definitely wear this glueless like I'm wearing it now, or you can lay it down as well. It's really up to you. As opposed to what you would like to do with this unit. In terms of the parting space again, I did also add some tinted lace powder as well. So I would leave all of those links down below so you all could go ahead and purchase this unit. Check it out to see what you would like. It is a 22-inch length unit. It is nice, has a nice length for sure. On me, it does show up a little bit longer, but it is a 22 and it does come in a variety of different lengths. So you can definitely go ahead and check out that in the description box. The listing tends to change every now and again, but you can definitely go ahead and check that out. So thank you so much, Fair Great Store, for allowing me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, as well as the reel I was talking about on how I curled this unit. You can definitely check out all of those things down in the description box, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.